Baba mo yung damit mo, anak. Sit there in your coat. Where you going? Are you done now? Okay, are you guys done? Let's go. Where's your skirt, Jelana? There's your sleeper. Why don't you wear your sleeper, Jade? That's yours now. Jelana, it's on the ground. Yeah. Oh, really? Jelana, I need your skirt. Can you get your skirt, anak, or is it? Okay, I don't. Baba mo yung damit mo, ah. Again? You did that again? Is that effective, that one? You like it? I cannot really go into that floaty because you guys wet it, I'm sure. Hello, Des. Inita. Des. Because you guys are in the water. Are you done now? Let's go. Oh, really? You have to wash your feet there? Wow. Uh, evacuate. Gilana, can you fix her? Can you fix her poop? It's showing. I told you you have to. Don't. Again? Is that really cold? That's not bad. Bring your sister's skirt, the green one, when you sit there. You don't want to ride in a boat, Gilana? No. Go ride in the boat. Gilana, go ride in the boat.